Welcome to the T3 AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Click on T3 AI. Click on New Localization XLF and Translation. Select Extension. Choose Language File Name. Choose the target language. Choose Translation Mode here. Click on Translate File. Here's your file, click to check. Make further changes here if needed. Let's proceed to the next steps now. Click on Save. View your file here. Proceed to the following steps now. You can delete it here if it doesn't match your needs. Click OK or Cancel.
Thank you for watching the T3 AI series.